Get back!
Hey! Hey!
Get back! Get back! We're back. We're filming. We're doing our part.
Get back!
It's all on video. No, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
You You're a fucking goof!
Hey, Rick, stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Rick,
What am I doing?
it's peaceful.
What am I doing?
Let them
Fucking attack me, you fucking goof! Fucking not doing shit! Punk ass!
This is going right to the media. YouTube. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Yeah, you're so...
Look, they're hurting an old man, a Canadian citizen. It's communism. This is communism. He's scared.
Your fucking guns.
Communist.
You stand with the communist fucking government.
Call your police chief. He'll back you up.
Call the police.
Call your police chief.
Fucking arresting citizens.
Arrested an old man. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you.
What'd the guy do? He honked.
Yeah, I know he beat the horn. What the fuck do they represent? They represent Trudeau and the police chief slowly. That's what they represent. Hate, division. You are not protecting and serving nobody.
That's right.
Communism right here. Lest we forget. Fight for your rights. This is bullshit. Communist fucking police. What's your name and badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number, sir?
You have nothing to do with this.
What's your... Yes, I do. I'm a Canadian citizen. What is your name and badge number?
Tough guys with your fucking guns. Tough guys with your fucking guns.